Say something to my folks in the camera.
What
right
is
for YouTube and stuff. Tell them that you about to get your hair done for school the first day because you gotta be
Spear.
Your hair was actually way easier this time. Your hair don't even look dirty. I think that's this magic on this bottle. This is magic in this bottle. Y'all better get y'all some. It ain't even on the market yet. Y'all better get you some. What y'all know about that? You better get you some. Make blow drying easy. Comb out just like that. What you know about that? It ain't even on the market yet. It ain't even on the market yet.
I ain't even
you better
on the
get you some. Comb with ease. Comb with ease. The tangle and spray.
Just on nothing.
Can I do it?
Just on nothing.
Can I do it?
Just on nothing for me. Make me so mad. Make me so mad.
Oh, that works like a charm. That was awesome.
No.
Okay, this is the
That
best.
means
I didn't even feel pain this time.
That means I don't like you.
Barely.
You was slack.
Barely.
Riley, get out. If you keep talking crazy, girl, I'm going to knock you out.
Why's she laughing? She is evil.
Now always start with a middle part. Start with a middle part. Then I'll figure it out as I go along. What I do on this side is probably on this side. They call that symmetrical. I'm gonna start rhyming for y'all because I don't rap. That ain't what I do. I don't do this for real. It's just a little entertainment while I braid and chill. We ain't Netflix and no. We gotta get through this style so we can go.
Mama, I have to
But then you gonna still have to do my hair.
I have to boo-boo.
Okay, take Maya with you.
Maya.
I don't want her. She been kicking me. I couldn't get no peaceful sleep because she was sitting there kicking me.
Maya in the bathroom. Riley gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta make the videos a little more entertaining. I'm getting bored with the same old great taping. So what we gonna do? Are we gonna have a dance break so I can tell you? Are you ready for a camera?
Yeah.
You got served. What's happening? Oh, you only getting 4 braids. That's all I can do.
Please do not do me like this.
You didn't have 4 braids before. What you talking about?
I know.
But
But it's
what?
gonna be the first day of school.
So what that mean?
I don't want to look like that on the first day of school.
Like what?
Well, fall braids.
So you trying to say my 4 braids ain't sweet? Because you didn't have 4 braids before. So you trying to tell me they wasn't sweet? Because it was just 4? Huh? Huh?
I ain't say that.
So you trying to make this the last time you get your hair done, right?
No.
Because you insulted my skills though, right?
I'm not.
That's what you trying to say?
No.
You trying to say that, what did you trying to say?
I'm saying
You just said 4 braids ain't first day of school worthy?
No.
That I can't make 4 braids sweet? That I can't clown on 4 braids?
I didn't say that.
That is what you said. You said don't do me like that. 4 braids to the back. I don't want to be seen like that. But you only getting 4 braids. Somebody asked you, oh bro, who braided your hair? That's your girl. Yeah, I need mine done.
You're gonna have to give me some cards then.
Ask them where their mamas work. And where their daddies work.
Work.
Work. I need a whole check. These braids about to be exclusive. Y'all better not be playing in that toilet! Y'all better not be playing in that toilet! Hey, who playing in the bathroom? What y'all doing?
Nothing. What's this racing with me, Trevor?
Racing?
Yeah.
To do what, playground?
Racing to get back here first.
Get off there. Get down, G. Riley, I just told her to get down. Why would you climb up there? Get down, Gina. Get off of there, Gina. Thank you. What song we singing?
Just go.
It goes Wally. It's the Wally and Mama song.
Okay. It's the Riley and Mama song. Ooh, ooh,
Mommy,
ooh.
mommy, you can make whatever one you can
No,
make
I'm trying to sing your song.
Okay. Ooh, you have to be like this. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh, I need two of my hands to braid, so I just gotta do it without my hands. Ooh, 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 ooh. Sing it, G, your turn. Okay, is this song gonna get some words to it?
Mama, you can make up your
No,
own.
you gotta make up your own words. This your song.
Ooh,
Make up your words. Say your words to your song. Gina, I thought her hair was done already, G.
But thank you.
You about to sing your opera? You better sing your opera, girl. I heard it coming. Sing your opera, girl.
Mama, I can't remember the song. I was always singing. Mom, no, Mr. Mom. Stand around, and spin, spin, spin. Stand around and spin, spin, spin. Stand up, stand up.
Ooh, hold on to your buckles. You about to crawl out the chair? Do it hurt? You
That
about to
one
crawl out the
did.
chair?
Stand around and spin,
You
spin.
was like on a roller coaster ride.
Stand around and spin.
Oh wait, what they gotta do?
Move,
If you wanna get, if they wanna get braids like you, what they gotta do?
Cameron, you're rolling. Come on, gotta say something.
Maya.
Ooh, why did I make that?
Gina, no, no, get out my jam. No,
What do you mean, this jam?
look, you gonna trip over my cord.
That twisted pretty is this.
Gina, don't you get no more of my jam, homie. Your mannequin gonna have to do it out. Booyah. Swerving on him. Swerving on him.
She don't
Swerving
know
on him.
you.
Swerving on him. ahead. I can't see your hair like that. I don't want to see this haircut you don't got. There you go. Okay, wait. Turn around. Hit me with a microwave. That ain't no microwave. Okay, there you go.
What is she doing?
Now, what you wanted to say?
I want to say what's up, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you wanted to follow my Instagram at KC_TheMan1, go ahead. And we out.
I was trying to turn the camera, that failed. Wait. Oh, okay. Back in front of Good Vibes. Like that was a still. I don't know. Okay. You don't?